The topic is the linear regression. So let's do this example. The relationship between total yearly purchases, these are like clothing, online clothing purchases. So where do I write it? So these are online clothing purchases. And income, so totally yearly purchases of online clothing and income is linear. The correlation between total yearly purchases and income is 0.722. The summary statistics for the two variables are the income, in this case, the income is the X, and the total yearly purchases is the Y value. So the summary statistics for the two variables are, so this is, think of this as X bar, and this is Y bar. So the mean of all X's, and that's the mean of all Y's. And this is going to be what? SX, and the standard deviation of all X's, and this is standard deviation of all Y's. Alright, so let's do the first example. I think we need to write the definition. I didn't write the definition, so let me write it here. The definition of the linear regression line is always going to be y, expected y value is equal b0 plus b1 times x. Now how do we find the b1? b1 is always going to be correlation times standard deviation of y over standard deviation of x. What else? And we also know that the mean of x and the mean of y is a point on the regression line. Is a point on the regression line, always. Alright, so the question here, what is the linear regression equation for predicting total yearly purchases from income? So we know we're looking for predicted of y equal b0 plus b1x, right? So first thing we need to find the b1, and the b1 formula is right there. So b1 is equal r sy over sx. R is 0 right here, it's a given, 0.722 times sy is right there, given also. So it's 253.62 divided by sx, it's given right here, so it's 16,952.50. So all we have to do, use a calculator. If you use a calculator, you're going to get 0.012. So that's a B1. Now how do we find a B0? So let's plug it in. So this means that Y is equal B0 plus, or wait, is this a negative number or no, positive, plus 0.012x. Right, we're not done. We still need to find the B0. Right, I don't have space. I'm going to finish it here. We know that Y is equal B0 plus 0.012x. So we need to find the B0. To find the B0, all we need is any point. We know that x bar, from the definition, we know x bar, y bar is a point of the line. What does that mean? What is x bar? X bar is given right here. So we know that 50,343.40, and y bar is right there, 572.72. We know this is a point on the regression line. What does that mean? If I plug x bar here, if I plug, where's x? If I plug this one here, and if I plug this in there, I can find B0. Pretty easy. So 5 72.72 is equal B0 plus 0.012 times my X is 50,343.40. So this means that 572.72, yes, is equal B0 plus, if I multiply these numbers, what am I supposed to get? 604.12. So this means that B0 is equal to 572.72 minus 604.12, which is negative 31.4. Now I found the B0. So all I do, I plug it back in here. So therefore, here's my equation. Y hat is equal, B0 is negative 31.4 plus 0.12x. So that's my equation, but of course I'm going to call, just to make it look nice, Y is what? The total purchases online. So I'm going to write the total hat is equal negative 31.4 plus 0.12. And then what is X? X is the income. So this is the equation. Now for question B, to do B is pretty easy. They give you X and ask you to find for Y hat. So they give us X equal 22,000. So all we need to do is plug it in. So this means that Y hat, or total, just looks better instead of using Y hat. Total is equal negative 31.4 plus 0.12 times my income is 20,000. And so all you do is use your calculator, and if you do so, you're supposed to get $208.40. So what does that mean? That means we predict, right? We predict that a person with $20,000 yearly income will make, or will spend $208.40 in online purchases. Will spend $208.40 in online purchases. And that's it for this example.